What's up guys? Not so long ago, we tested Zeblaze Ares 3 smartwatch. I liked it because of the rugged military design, navigation crown, Bluetooth calling and a long battery life. After only 2 months, the Pro model of this smartwatch has been released. The new Zeblaze Ares 3 Pro has a smaller display, but now it is a higher quality AMOLED panel with a maximum brightness of 1000 nits. The battery life has also increased to 30 days. The new smartwatch still has a rugged design and Bluetooth calling. What's interesting is that even though Zeblaze Ares 3 Pro has an AMOLED display, the price remains the same – $35. Unfortunately, I don't have Zeblaze Ares 3 to compare it to the Pro model side by side, but I will leave the link to the video about the previous watch in the description. Now let's do a full review of Zeblaze Ares 3 Pro. At the end of the video, I will tell you which smartwatch I liked more, Zeblaze Ares 3 or Zeblaze Ares 3 Pro. So the box of the new Zeblaze watch is white now, unlike the black box of Zeblaze Ares 3. However, we can still see the main features on the front of the box, such as Ultra HD AMOLED display, make and receive calls, 24 hours health measurement and multiple sports modes. By the way, there is a smartwatch with a black strap on the box, but I actually have a desert gray color. Inside the box are the smartwatch, strap, magnetic charging cable, and user manual. So I have a gray strap, but you can also buy a smartwatch with a blue or black strap. The dial is black in all color versions, but the back and side edges match the color of the strap. In my case, they are gray. This means that you can additionally buy the strap in a different color, but it will not match the case. However, the strap is detachable. It has a width of 22 mm. If we started talking about the size, the dial is 47 by 47 by 15 mm. The weight of the smartwatch with the strap is 58 grams. By the way, the strap is made of liquid silicon. The button shell of the watch is plastic. The dial and buttons are made of zinc alloy. We will talk about the control buttons a little later, but now I want to draw your attention to the fact that there is no navigation crown. I liked it in Zeblaze Ares 3, and I don't understand why it was removed. There is a microphone hole between the physical buttons, while the speaker is located on the other side. Charging contacts, heart rate, and blood oxygen sensors are on the back. You know, Zeblaze Ares line of the smartwatches used to be called rugged, but now it is called military-grade toughness. The manufacturer says that the watch passed 12 military-grade tests. The smartwatch is heat-resistant, cold-resistant, shock-resistant, etc. Zeblaze Ares 3 Pro also has IP68 waterproof rating. Now let's talk about the display, because it looks like it is the main improvement of the new watch. Although the display diagonal of Zeblaze Ares 3 Pro is smaller than Zeblaze Ares 3, 1.43 inches and 1.52 inches respectively. The new smartwatch has higher resolution of 466 by 466 pixels and AMOLED panel with 1000 nits maximum brightness. First, I noticed that the font is smaller and clearer on the new smartwatch. This means that the resolution of the screen is really higher. The screen is also very visible outdoors, even in direct sunlight. By the way, the display of the watch is protected from scratches by Corning Gorilla Glass. Before talking about the watch functions, I want to say that Zeblaze Ares 3 Pro supports always-on mode. You can select a digital clock or analog clock for the always-on screen. The new Zeblaze smartwatch has only 4 watch faces out of the box, but there are hundreds of dials available in the app. You can download any of them for free. By swiping up from the main screen, you can read the new messages. The quick settings menu is opened by swiping down. Here we have Do Not Disturb mode, Power Saving mode, Screen Brightness, Settings menu, Find Phone, System Info, Flashlight, and Phone Calls. You can also use widgets on the Zeblaze Ares 3 Pro to check your daily activity, measure heart rate, monitor sleep, weather, music, and workouts. If you want to remove any of the widgets, press on the plus button, select widget and press on the minus button. Finally, you can access the menu with all the functions by swiping to the right. There is telephone, contact person, call records, voice assistant, data, workout, workout records, heart rate, sleep, blood pressure, blood oxygen, messages, weather, female, press training, stopwatch, timer, alarm clock, business card, set time, find phone, calculator, calendar, camera, and settings. So, there are many functions on the watch, but we also need to look at the settings menu. First, we can change the menu style. There are two menu styles available on the Zeblaze Ares 3 Pro. The display settings have the watch face switch, brightness, screen time, raise to wake, and always on display. In the battery, we can see the current battery level and enable power saving mode. The smartwatch has a vibration, so you can choose between mute, vibration or vibration and ring modes. You can also change the vibration intensity. Multi-language support is available on the watch. And then there is a QR code to download the app on smartphone. The new option in the settings is the down key settings. I don't remember this on Zeblaze Ares 3, so you can select No function, Menu, turn off the screen, Return, Workout, Data, and many other functions for a single click on the button. The same functions are available for a long press on the button. Finally, you can set the time and use some system functions in the settings. So the functions of the new Zeblaze Ares 3 Pro smartwatch are almost the same as the previous Zeblaze Ares 3, but I would like to mention a much better quality screen. So it is very pleasant to read the menu text and even use a smartwatch outdoors. Now I want to show you the companion app. You know, I still don't understand why the latest Zeblaze smartwatches don't use their own mobile app called Zeblaze Fit. Like the Zeblaze Ares 3, the Pro model is connected to the smartphone via FitCloudPro app. As usual, on the home screen, we can see steps walked in a day, calories, total distance, and goal day. There is also information about sleep, heart rate, blood pressure, and SpO2. When you click the device, you will see the connected smartwatch. First, you can add business cards to the smartwatch, such as WeChat, QQ, Facebook, etc. Then you can select the apps that can send you notifications on the smartwatch. The other functions in the app are alarms, sanitary reminder, drink water reminder, watch face, and sports rush. By the way, the smartwatch has 9 workout modes by default, but you can download additional modes in the app. There are over 100 sport modes available in total. And then we have weather reports, race to wake, elevated heart rate measurement, automatic health monitoring, find bracelet, raised preference, and a time format. Zeblaze Ares 3 Pro supports Bluetooth calling, so you can add your favorite contacts on the smartwatch for quick dialing. Finally, there is Shake to take a photo, hardware version, and restore to factory reset. I already mentioned that the new smartwatch supports Bluetooth calling. Let's see how it works. So when someone calls you on your smartphone, you can accept or reject the call. When you take a call, you can talk on the watch because it has a built-in speaker and a microphone. You can also make your own calls from the watch. First, you can go to the telephone and enter the phone number to call. If you have previously added a favorite number in the app, it will be available in the Contact Person menu. Finally, there are color codes on the smartwatch. Okay, now I want to measure heart rate, blood pressure, and blood oxygen. As you can see, my vital signs are normal. At the beginning of the video I told you that the battery life of Zeblaze Ares 3 Pro has been increased to 30 days. However, it is in power-saving mode. In typical usage, the battery life of the new smartwatch is about the same as the previous model, about 15 days. And by the way, the battery capacity of Zeblaze Ares 3 Pro is 400 mAh. So the new Zeblaze smartwatch has a few upgrades, but the main one is the screen. The display is smaller, but better quality. The AMOLED panel and high resolution make the screen one of the best among budget watches. The set of the functions is the same on Zeblaze Ares 3 and Ares 3 Pro, such as Bluetooth calling, health monitoring, notifications, etc. You should know that both watches do not have built-in GPS. So if the choice between Zeblaze Ares 3 and the Zeblaze Ares 3 Pro, it is better to go for the Pro model, because it has much better display while the price is the same. Thank you for watching this video. See you soon!